Okay, I think the fan's on the loud side, but I'm hot, so gotta deal with it. Okay. Uh, I need to get a few things ready. Actually, this would be so much easier if I. Yeah, well, yeah, sure, that's fine. Alright, so I gotta turn on in a different monitor. Actually, I have no idea where did my chat box go? I'll just put it in here. Yeah, I don't mind putting it like that. I don't need to crane my neck to the left to read the code, I guess. Yeah, first just did a little more setup before this. Whatever is gonna take this forever. Okay. I think to decide on what to do then. Well, I have something planned, but I'm not sure which to pick. These two are done. You're right, that's the W and V keys. But before we do this, fix it back in. Okay, so what I did before, actually I don't need to do that. No, it's fine. Okay, so this is what I have right now. It's pretty much the same thing. Difference is there's this. So before it would flood the other side. Now I got it to stop. I also changed a few things, like the words. Oops. The words command. Okay, whatever. The words command and filter are now here. Okay, so command and filter are here. You can type, but the filter thing isn't working yet. I need to search for the algorithm, I guess, to search for text, and then I gotta work on the highlighting based on that. It'll take some time, but that's fine. Okay, so next what I need to do is fix my WMVPs. There you go, okay. So WMB keys, it works fine. I have no issue. Actually, there is some issue, right? As you can see. But how this is supposed to work is if I open up this, right? I press W, it works fine. But once it gets here, it should, skip a little. Right? But this just scrolls through each character normally. And like the backspace is kind of weird. So the backspace goes to little. And it's supposed to go to here. Right, that's what W does, but it goes straight to the end, which I'm not the best at fixing. And this is supposed to go to the end, right? So once you're here, you're supposed to reach the end of the line, but it's not working because I don't know. So I guess I'll find out now. Right. It's a W key. Oh yeah, it's right there. Okay. Okay, so I need to figure out if I turn on music. Does this affect any of you? Okay, no, it just affects me. Alright, that's perfect. Okay. So let me check what goes on first. Yeah, I have to. So this is supposed to push you to the start of the next character. Right, so this one looks fine so far. So W looks okay. So I need to make it go towards here. Okay, so once it's here, it needs to go there. Right. So just for saving the file. Oh yeah, right. There's a note there. Okay. So I don't know if I'm about fixing this. Top row I get row, so I don't get the current. But I'll get the current line. Actually, it would be better if this is. Move that there. That's fine. Okay. So. So that gets the current line. I will keep counting for it and I'll look at the character. If the character is not ASCII alphabetic, then next count. So this is the amount I'll need to jump for. Then I'll need to break it. So scroll through all the characters. It's for reason to scroll to the next line. It's sort of like this, you know, like this to start the next line. No, it'll just add normally. This plus one doesn't work too well. Yeah, and then it'll just get stuck. I always do here, but oops. Guess I need to figure out what's an ASCII alphabetic character first. I should probably write a note about this in like Obsidian somewhere. Gotta bring that over. Wrong one. Bring that over. Put it on 3. There it is. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Let's take this. And drop it down here instead of text. There we go. Probably won't need any of this. Keep it in for now. To print the character is a signal. Yeah, this is it. I don't understand this. How do you go through this? Go there, go there, go there, go there. So let's figure out what ASCII alphabetic is first. Let's see. Push up white, so none of the spaces. Okay, so ASCII alphabetic is basically just text. So like characters. Do I see any numbers? No, I don't see any numbers. The alphabetic equals Z, upper and lower. So actually get the sticky lines. Okay. Equals. So numbers. Okay. Spaces included. Spaces not included. So I want to stop at the first space. Okay. And character equals. Great. But then this will break if it's a space though. But this only works if it's a space, right? That's all you mean. So space, 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 go straight through it. Yeah, let's go straight through it. I guess I'll just test out a variety of symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I'll just need one number in here. Another space. One of these. There'll be a couple of these, but it's fine. Words, words, and words. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the spaces count. So these are the non-ASCII alphabetic characters. The Wind Waker's BT Shock. Sure, whatever. Anyway. So the moment it finds a non-ASCII alphabetic character. I see no issue though. Oh. Wait, no, I can't think with this music. Something else. I guess I have no idea what else, but... Okay, yeah, that's fine. Okay, so... So the second it finds a character that's not ASCII alphabetic, it'll skip to it. The reason this is +1 is because of the spaces. So... This one will be here. This one will be an else if. So if character equals space, else will go here. Right. Index equals count +1. If not, this will just be that. And break. Okay, it's kind of looking now. Oh, okay. Let's see. It's stuck here. What does it go on here next? Okay, so if I'm here and I see that, so I get Y and I do X get. Return sign iteration. I get X. Let's see. Okay, so get will probably take Alright, so well, there's probably no point in assuming, right? Text get 3. Alright, I forgot about that. It's not. Let's see. 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. Alright, it's included. Okay, so I should really be more familiar with this by now, to be honest. Okay. So X is included. So putting it here, is this a space? Right? So the answer is no. Actually, why don't I just take a look at this? F9 is here. I'll need to run that. Alright, the file isn't open. Start typing. Sorry if I didn't do that. Did not see that coming, that's for sure. Okay, so I type test, don't do this, I guess. Okay. So I back here. Is W. There you go. Okay. What do I want to watch? Okay. So content is don't do this. So my cursor is here, and it has this T. So I'm gonna step through it. I'm gonna come here. I'm gonna realize index is equal to count. Oh, because it's exactly. Got it. Okay, so this stops here is because the first character is exactly as given by the character. So it breaks immediately and nothing happens. So I need to make sure it's not on the character itself. First off, if I put plus. And again, probably same issue before. Yeah, no, just have same issue as before. That's not what I want. So what do I need here? Here, I need to make sure it's not on the first one either. So once I split into characters, I need to remove something. Let's try else for this. So this will be a space. This is just someone that's embedded. And this is true, regardless. So this should be inside else. This should be inside else. We're breaking here. The content.chars.enumerate chars equal content.chars. Characters. I create it, so what's in here? I probably don't need to, right? Creating a string from a vector of characters. From digit, this digit, make all this stuff 2 digit. Okay, that's not helpful. Yeah, okay, this charge, so capital S. There you go. Have anything. Okay, so this is a slice. Quick test. Result. No method in chat. Character. So if the current character, then it's just gonna break. Um, what can I do? So the current character is the ASCII alphabetic. So this will just break immediately. So according to my X, so I take the row, right? So that's the contents. Oh, okay. That current equals contents dot contents that get, so there's X, and then there is X plus 1. Okay, and there's content dot powers. There's a very good chance it's gonna break. This is an option. So it's either the some character, and if it's none, then character remove. This I know will work for sure, so I can just do that. There you go. What is sum? It's gonna be a string, it's gonna be a string. So if the current dot is ASCII alphabetic, Frozen needs to be here. Definitely one over here. So I gotta watch what current is. Slice for now. Slice. Current. Okay. So I'll do a few things. So first I need to look at slice. Right, did not see that coming. Then I need current. Hi, don't. I'm gonna move back. It's W here. And it's gonna hit the button. So here I need to look at current. And look at slice. Step over, index here. Now we have slice, and now we have current. Nice. Really, it's not found. Current. Okay. Slice. So, it's not found. No. Oh, that's because it content. Actually. Yeah. Yeah, I can definitely do that. Okay. Keep stepping through. What else does it find? Guys have done already. Five. Cursor down. W. Twice. Contents is still do this. So it's apostrophe T. So that means. So the expression what I will look for is. And I'd love to look at what that is. It is here. There's always something here. I can't read that. That is an event content here. Is there a reason why current isn't perfect? Contents dot get 3 and then let's say 4. This is 3 and this is 4, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. Okay, yeah, there you go. I could have done that much easier. Okay, so this is getting current one. This returns and output. This. This is an option string. Stars. Star. What can I do with chars? And a double in the iterator is SE is ASCII. Don't feel that. Okay, so this is the char then. So convert string char. Wait. Yeah, so I'll get that. Is this work? Hmm. So I can't use yet. Hmm. What can I do for this? I need to get the current. And what is contents? Contents is a string. No idea what I mean with that. As bytes, as pointer, as bytes. Okay. Can I do that? Should be able to, right? Yeah, okay. So if slice up none is 0, then I'm going to take a slice and get as bytes. Return this. And then we'll take the first one. And then let y equals x dash y. Right, that's a character. Else Right. That is star. And if not, it'll just return slice again, but this won't work well. Okay, so what can I? Hmm. Slice length. Return that. They're both of different lengths. And check if the granting. Let's check out its default. So if it's at the end of the line, then it can't +1 because it's way too big. Right? Alright, now let's see. Hi there. Okay. Alright, 8. So 7, 8. Wait, it works. Oh, right. Right, so that gets the last E. This is just mistake. Oh, okay. So remove that part. Remove that. And we're gonna wrap around it. So that means current is a string. Then current as bytes, take the first one, convert it to a character. So is current dot is ASCII alphabetic. Index equals count plus 1. Well, hmm. This one thing. it crashes. Okay. At line 355. Ah, yes, this one. X then X plus 1. Okay, so it can crash, that's concerning. Right, so this stops because the character is space. And we'll do that. And if the character is not ASCII alphabetic, it will stop and stay at its own pace. But if the current character so maybe instead of doing this, I put multiple ifs. Yeah, put that down. I still have current somewhere. It's something. If count is not counting this. Right. Alright, it crashes immediately, okay. Likely the environment. Main option unwrap all minimum value. X and then X. 355. The wrong one. 355 is that line indeed. So why does it crash? I need to figure out what X is. This line and right here. Alright. Move here, get there. I'll check out X's. Probably X is 12. Alright. Let's see. Contents.len. Len attribute is not defined. And then it crashes. X is 12. Alright, contents length is 31. And I need to figure out what X is. Value of x is 32. Okay, where did that come from? Oh, right. Not scaled properly. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. It's just not scaled properly. Okay, then if that's the case, this will need to move outside. So row contents, so let contents equals row.contents. This one is fine now. And contents. Right, it doesn't crash, so that's a good thing. Okay. Now let's see which one it gets in. So that means no breakpoint here, no breakpoint here, but here, here, and here. 5. Move in, high, don't, and W. It gets inside here. Right, that's because it's essentially comparing the same thing. Okay. I sure I didn't see that coming sooner. So if the character, so this is essentially the current character, so I wasted a bunch of my time. Oh boy. So if the current character is ASCII alphabetic, then you don't move forward. So, but if your cursor, the character the cursor is on, is ASCII alphabetic. Okay, so ASCII alphabetic. It's not ASCII alphabetic, so the apostrophe counts. So if current is ASCII alphabetic, it's gonna +1. Okay, so I need to check current first. But if I put that there, it's just gonna function the same way as before. Yeah. So I'm not sure if it's here or if it's here. Again. Move up, high, don't, and W. It gets inside here, count +1. Step out. Step into, A goes in here. Okay. And the end result is cursor doesn't move. Okay. Okay, so the end result is cursor doesn't move. Alright, let's see. So for the cursor that it's currently under, think. So the cursor is here, and it has an ASCII character under it. I have no idea if it's gonna work or not. Right, so index gets set to 0. Gonna keep going. It finds the space, so that means it's always here. Okay. So I need to keep track of whatever the value of index is. And to check whatever is under the cursor is ASCII alphabetic. Okay, this is surprising. Right, so I have to string, right? So I have the string here, and once it's stuck in here, it finds that it's not an ASCII alphabetic character, and it stays there because that's what I set it to here. Right, so if this is then that means it's here. Okay, so that means it will be the same. We'll break out of it. Space will add one. If it's an ASCII alphabetic, not an ASCII alphabetic character, then it will move. So do I check the next one? But if I can't check the current, I'm also check the next one, right? Well, okay. So here, from inside here, I need to check the next one, right? So if I do that, okay. So what I do is x plus 1 and then plus 2. So this is the next. Next. Okay. Okay, if next is ASCII alphabetic, and if it's not, then do that. Else is continue open. Ready? Alright. That. Alright, it's gonna get back to the top there, but it does move. Do that, and then do if the next is ASCII alphabetic. Hmm. Not ASCII alphabetic. And okay. I wanted to stop there, but all I did was make it go overhead. So I wanted to just stop. If the current character, so CH is the current character, um, Okay. So the current character of my head. Hmm. Then the index will just be that. I'm not too sure what this will change. Should just skip straight through. Yeah, skip straight through. Hmm. So if the oh boy. Um. Is it my PC too hot? It's Hmm. Actually, I think that's hard. Yeah, for the end one. Right, why not here? Alright, let's see. This is not an ASCII alphabetic character. It's not space, so it's going to be in here. Okay, so it'll set index to count. Current chart is not an ASCII alphabetic character. And so that means this can't be true. So that means index equals count. Okay, so then there are just too many edge cases. Right now, this just stops working completely. So that means if I, because right now I can't figure out a way to make it work, that means I need to deal with it working that way. Okay, well I guess I can do with that. Not exactly fun, but not exactly what I wanted, but right now I just... Okay. Can get rid of all of that. Fine. Okay. Alright. Try it again. Okay. Wait, then I set it. Put it here. Oh. Alright, okay. Yes, the current character index count plus 1. Right, if the current character is not instant, so I need to check if it's at the end. So I need to check the ending part. Okay, let's see. There's the ending part. No. Okay, so there's the ending part, which is here. We need to determine whether it's the end or not. So how exactly do I do that? Because I will get a new updated X character, so I need to do it once. If they press W again, so there's gonna be an else branch here. Or I could figure it out here. So, how do I do that exactly? Right, index. Where did index go? Okay, saturating add index. It's not a space, so that means it needs to get over here. So if this doesn't work, that means index is equals to 0, right? So if index is equals to 0, or index equals 0. Is this? Oh wait, no, this is not Hecto. So okay. But one thing went well, so that's cool. I get sashes, yeah, pretty damn big. Remember, this is exactly what I want, no? Take that in. Do I not have obsidian? It is. They jump towards. I can't really be bothered, so. No. We're pretty sure that stash for what I want to do. It's on master too, no, should be fine. Cool. Okay, so now I have that. So take a look at B. Rough in here? No, rough's not in here. Pyro rough. www. There's this weird thing here. I guess it can just be a direct opposite of W. So instead, so it would be here. Okay, so here, instead of a +1, it will get a -1. Okay, it immediately crashed. 324. Okay, although I do think... Okay, well, this kind of... So... Look at the wheel, it looks for space. So that means here, it's not space, I guess. Oh, hey, that's kind of weird one. Yeah, no, we don't have no space. Still buggy. Run runs in, and okay, there we go. I guess I'm done for now. This took a surprising amount of time for me to figure out that it just doesn't work, and that I should discard it. I guess it's a learning experience. I guess if anything can take away, I don't really have to replicate it all the way. I do feel like it's kind of lazy, that's why I kept hacking at it for so long. But I think it should be alright in this case. I have to stash that I can revisit if I do want to do that. I don't know, I'll see. Maybe this instead of reversing. Yeah, it should be fine. Okay. Anyway, for everyone who has joined so far, for all those who have watched me struggle for like an hour, not fruitless, I still learned something. Thank you for joining. And I'll stream sometime again in the future. It's completely random at this point. Again, thank you for supporting me, even if you're just lurking. So yeah, bye bye.